Hi, good evening everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Mary Angelina and I'm from 3F class. And here I will to tell you one tutorial that's very important. There is 8 steps to fold a shirt. And now I will to tell you the function first. The first one is to make it your clothes neat and easy to carry. And the second one is to make it your clothes stand doesn't fall. And the third one, to make it your clothes smell nice. That is the function. And to make it fast, I will to tell you the step how to folding a shirt. Check it out. There are the steps. Lay your t-shirt on flat surface. You can use a running place or bed, it's okay. And the second one, turn up the bottom 4 until 5 inches and make it like this. And the third one, fold one side the same line with the neck. And the fourth one, fold one side and do same like the other side. And then the fifth step, fold one side again to make it that will be the half, like this. And the sixth step, fix the round and the bottom will far from you, like this. And the seventh step, start to roll the t-shirt until finish. Row 8, you will see the line 4 until 5 inches, and after that turn up inside out, become on pocket. Like this one. Okay, that is the step how to folding a shirt. And now you already know how to fold a shirt, and you can also practice at your home. But don't forget to comment and also subscribe in this channel. And I also have some question for you, and I wish that you answer it. And thank you for watching, and bye bye.